Good morning again, fourth graders. We're going to be doing session 2 today, talking about the American Revolution and doing some nonfiction research. And today's focus is going to be on the text structure. We've talked about text structure a while ago, but this is just going to be a little reminder of some of the things that we have. So we have 4 major types of text structures, and they are chronological, they're problem solution, cause and effect, and compare and contrast. And for chronological, that is the order in which things happen. So it's like time order. And some of the words you might see that would kind of give you a clue would be first, then, next, after that, finally, before, after are all possibilities. For problem solution, there's a problem and then some kind of solution. So you're going to see those words, or you might say, if this happens, then, or so that this occurs. Cause and effect, we'll talk about how there's a cause of something and then there's an effect after it. So because something happened, something else occurs. You might see words like because, since, reasons, then, therefore, so, in order. And then you have compare and contrast, where you're talking about basically how are they similar and how are they different. So you might see words like similar or different, or same, alike, although, but, yet, or. So those are some of your clue words to figure out what we're doing. What I'd like you to do now is to watch the video of Give Me Liberty, Give Me Death. It's a little bit of a long video, and it's going to be using a lot of really big fancy words, so your vocabulary will get better. But the key to this is at least watching a few minutes just to get an idea of what Patrick Henry is talking about, but also to watch the very end, the last minute or so, because that's where he talks about his famous line of give me liberty or give me death. So as you're watching this, I want you to figure out what is the text structure and what is your proof, what's your reason to prove why you think that. So I want you to pause me right now and then watch the video, and then come back and we'll discuss what you came up with. So after watching the video, I think there could be a lot of different things that we could have. I really think it could probably have chronological order as well, because I think it is kind of going in order. It talks about what the British are doing and why this is happening. But I think the two best answers would be either problem solution as a text structure, and the big problem is the British were treating colonists very unfairly, and their solution was, let's have war. Pretty much the war is going to be happening. And the other one I thought would be cause and effect. The cause is that the British were treating colonists, according to Patrick Henry, like slaves, and the effect was that the war has already begun, and they just need to kind of get at it. Because we can't take it anymore in order to have freedom, we have to fight the British. Is pretty much what Patrick Henry was saying. So I think the two best text structures are our problem solution and cause and effect, but I think chronological would work as well. So as you're researching and trying to find a topic for your American Revolution presentation that you'll be doing, try to think about the text structure and how is it organized. Remember that it can be chronological, time order, problem solution, cause and effect, or compare and contrast. All right, good luck.